what you gotta do, cause tell me why you pull me over.
Listen,
So you can hit people?
That makes that car. What is his problem with me? Why does he have to touch me?
February 24, 2023, Boynton Beach, Florida. A stop sign stop, 2 arrests, 1 loaded firearm.
Final is on 15 court. Florida tag Papa Charlie Bravo November 62 PCB N62. Gray Infinity.
Bravo 525194 300 Northeast 15th Court. From the city show. 14.
Hey, what are you doing? Stay in the vehicle. You're being pulled over. It's a traffic stop.
You saying for what? I'm giving you your answer. License, registration, insurance?
What you pull me over for?
License, provide me your license. Provide me your license and I'll tell you exactly why. Provide me your license, I'll tell you exactly why. Provide me your license, I'll tell you exactly why.
What you pull me over for?
Provide me your driver's license and I'll tell you exactly why.
I'll give you my license.
Provide me your driver's license. You're not doing that?
No.
You're not doing that?
You heard what I said. I'm not doing that.
Ma'am, I'm asking you one more time. Okay?
Tell me why you pull me over.
Identify yourself.
My name is Whitney Pandal. Tell me why you
have
pull
a
me
driver's
over.
license, ma'am.
Tell me why you pull me over.
License, please.
Please tell me why you pull me over.
License, please.
Tell me why you pull me over.
License, ma'am. I'm gonna have to do.
That's
Listen,
you,
you have your driver's license?
Do you, big boy?
She's home. She has a driver's license.
Do you, big boy? Why you arresting me?
Because you're not identifying yourself.
My name's Whitney Pandal. Let me go.
Don't pull away from me,
You
okay?
don't have to touch her like
Ma'am,
that, sir.
back away.
Why do I have to back up?
Back away.
Why?
Because you directed my attention, ma'am. Back away.
Why? I'm not touching you. I'm not touching you, and look how you're touching her.
Nothing serious to do. Let me go,
Yo,
bro.
relax.
Chill.
Relax.
Let me go. Let me go.
Relax.
Let me go.
Relax.
Look what you're doing,
Ma'am,
sir.
relax.
Look what you're doing.
Stop.
That's what you get paid for?
Let me go.
Ma'am, I'm
That's what
telling
you
you,
get paid
stop.
for,
And I
sir?
said, let me go.
Ma'am,
That's what you get
stop.
paid for, sir? What did she do?
Stop.
When you get pulled, the police tells you what you did. So what do you do? What do you do? What do you do?
Ooh.
What did she do?
Ooh.
What did she do?
You feel like you got power?
What did she do?
That stroke your ego.
Excuse me, sir. What did she do?
You want to send me more units, please?
What did she do? What did she do? What did she do, sir?
That make you feel good, Jiggins?
Cause she's home. What did she do, sir?
That make you feel good?
What did you do? What did she do, sir?
Fight real crime.
For her to get pulled.
Something serious.
What did she do, sir? Oh my God!
Hey!
Don't shoot
You're under arrest too.
You just hit me.
You're under arrest too.
You just hit me.
Let her
You're
go.
under arrest too.
Hey! Why are you hitting me?
You're under arrest too.
For what? What am I under arrest for? Obstruction. Are you serious? He just arrested me for nothing.
He just hit her and dragged her and put her to the floor.
Let go of me, sir. Because I have nothing to do and you broke my nail.
Relax.
Sorry, what's the matter? He's not answering nobody and he just hit me. So you can hit people? You can hit people, sir?
You like you in uniform because I was spit right here.
You can hit people, sir?
Do what you must.
You can hit
Do what
people,
you
sir?
must.
You can hit people? As a police officer for no reason because I wasn't even here. You can hit people?
Let me go. Now tell me why you pulled me over.
I wasn't even the person he pulled over, so he hit me.
Why did you pull me over?
Let's go.
Why did you pull me over?
Let's go.
I'm gonna know that, right? So you still ain't telling me why you pulled me over. Let me go.
Let's go. Stop resisting.
What the f is your problem? You still can't tell me why you pulled me over. What? I make your dick hard or something? Let me go.
Hey,
He can't tell me why he pulled me over. He can't tell me. You didn't even read me my Miranda right. Got me? All y'all didn't read up. Boynton put PD. Don't touch me. I want a woman to touch me. Don't touch me. Goofy.
Listen, if I ask for your information, you provide me your information.
Okay, you didn't tell me why you pulled me over. If I asked you why you pulled me over, you tell me why you pulled me over. Did you read me my Miranda rights before you put? Yes, you. That's the law.
No.
What's wrong with you? It's okay though. I'll be at Boynton PD tomorrow. Chickens.
It's Jennings.
Don't give a f what it is. I don't want to respect you. You ain't nobody to respect.
You ain't got to.
Okay, so why you talking to me?
You talking to me.
All right, cool. Why you pull me? Why you pull me over?
For a traffic violation.
What is it?
Stop sign.
Stop sign? Where's the stop sign? What stop sign did I miss?
Back there.
So I didn't pull me back there.
Because I was catching up to you.
Okay.
2319.
Back up for a traffic stop.
Yeah.
That makes that card. That's what it does. Let me go, bro. Yeah, I got old enough.
What the hell was that?
I'm 22. Get these cuffs off of me, bro. And he dragged my girlfriend, he put her on the floor. Cause that make his hard. I just got off of work. Let me go, bro. Okay, she can search me. Let me go. What is his problem with me? Why does he have to touch me? Okay, but can you tell me why does he have to touch me if she's searching me?
You stop pulling away, then you
Let me go.
Turn around.
Face for me.
Thank you.
Lean against the car for me, alright? Do you have anything on me that's gonna stick me?
Hey, nothing on me.
No, you have nothing on you?
Do better, bro. Go fight real crime.
Face the car for me.
Go fight real crime. Do better. Do better. I can't believe you guys just stopped me. I'll be at Boynton PD tomorrow. Got 8 fucking police officers at my house. Cause I put in at my house for a traffic stop. Then you wanna grab my girlfriend and bring her to the floor? For a traffic stop? Be fucking for real. Do better. Do better. Do better. All of y'all, do better. Go fight real crime.
Don't have any offense. None of that. I don't want to talk. I don't feel comfortable.
I didn't get any of her information yet. I didn't get none of the information. You're under arrest for obstruction, okay?
Obstruction of
Because you were way too close to my traffic stop. You walked to my traffic stop.
I was far enough, sir,
The phone
where
was
you could
close
take
to
2
me.
steps away from me.
You shouldn't have been that close to me.
I was far enough for that. So that means
The situation.
You're doing a traffic stop. The young lady operating this motor vehicle ran a stop sign, okay? Doing a legal traffic stop. She just up the vehicle. She says, oh, why you stopping? Why you stopping? Why you stopping me? I said, identification, license, registration, insurance. She did not want to provide license, registration. She said, tell me first. I said, hey, provide me your information. I'll tell you exactly why I stopped you.
That's her mom on the phone.
She refused to provide the information. Next time this lady comes up within this close to me, I said, ma'am, back up. You're redirecting my attention from this young lady right here. She continued, the one with the white tank top. She continued to stay there and record in this close proximity, okay? The first one got arrested, and she's being under arrest too.
For what?
Obstruction.
Obstruction.
Under Terry v. Ohio, a traffic violation provides sufficient reasonable suspicion. The stop was lawful from the first second. Florida Statute 322(5) imposes an unconditional duty to display a license on demand. That duty is not conditioned on receiving an explanation first. Under Pennsylvania v. Mimms, the officer may order the driver out of the vehicle during any lawful traffic stop. No additional justification required. When the driver pulled away during detention, she satisfied Florida Statute 843(02). Resisting without violence requires only physical opposition. No striking necessary. The First Amendment protects recording police in public. Glik v. Cunniffe, 2011. That right does not override a lawful officer's safety order. The bystander was ordered to step back. She refused. Refusal, not the recording, was the legal basis for her arrest under 843.02. The driver claimed Miranda was violated at the moment of handcuffing. Miranda v. Arizona applies before interrogation, not before arrest. No interrogation occurred. Officers found a loaded handgun concealed in a backpack. Under Arizona v. Gant, that search was constitutionally valid. The firearm is admissible. Florida Statute 790.1, carrying a concealed firearm without a license is a third-degree felony. A stop sign stop became potential felony exposure.
12? You got a tow coming?
Yeah. I call for the tow. I got a 0 right here.
Just signal 14. 3 units responding to Arthur Court. Males advising the female is breaking a windshield with an object.
Okay. It's probably that one. That thing's open.
Probably
LC29. 380. Probably it's in there.
Is it a break or a bad or
I'll be behind you.
Probably being difficult, not responding.
I got her ID right here. Perfect.
Just grab that. Bring that with you.
Yeah. Me or competing? Alright. I'll let you talk to your dad in a few, okay? Do you understand what happened?
Would I be able to have another police officer here with you, like, explain it to me?
You said what?
Would I be able to have another police officer?
No, I'm the arresting officer. I was there.
But no one else could be around?
I got
No, you can explain it to me, no problem.
So you
I'm
explain it to me.
somebody else
else to come
Let me
around.
explain it. Yes or no?
You can explain it, yes.
Okay.
But can somebody else come around because I don't feel safe.
Alright, that's fine. Well, I'm gonna listen. So, if an officer's on a traffic stop, the officer's doing an investigation, you can't walk up on the officer. If you want to record, it's fine.
Yeah.
You do that from a distance.
Yeah.
Not close proximity.
You remember when you went like that?
I'm sorry?
You remember when you went like that to me?
Like what?
You did this to me. Exactly when you went like that.
Okay.
I was far enough for you to go like that.
No, you
So I'm
still
asking
can't
how far can I be?
sidewalk.
Sidewalk?
Not within that close proximity.
Okay, did not know that.
Well, now you do.
Did you guys let us know that? Did you
Sorry?
take me on the sidewalk?
Well, I told you to step back. You're like, no, I can record. But listen,
But you didn't tell me to go to the sidewalk.
but listen, I got so much I'm dealing with. I did what I heard. I'm dealing with you.
That's fine.
Simply, you can record. It's fine, but it has to be from a safe distance.
Okay, no problem. If I was told to go to the sidewalk, I would have went to the sidewalk.
Well, I had so much going on with her, with you.
So what happens if someone hitting you?
I'm sorry?
Will a police officer grab
Oh
you?
yeah. Yeah.
Officer can grab you for no reason?
I gave you a command to do it, a lawful command, and you refused to comply with the lawful command. Therefore, I grabbed you. I grabbed you. I told you.
You let me know to be on the sidewalk. You just told me to be back, and I was back.
No, you didn't. So
I'm
therefore,
back enough for you to go like this.
so therefore, since you were in that close proximity, right? I told you to step back, and you
How
didn't.
far am I?
And you're obstructing different place of rest. But listen, I'll let you talk to your dad after you, okay? Because he said he would talk to you. Just check to make sure it's what that is. Okay.
I also wanted to say I apologize. I was just upset and mad.
It's alright. Just realize that things can go bad. Like I told you that, I understand that you want to know what's going on. You don't know what the hell is going on. You see your friend, you see your police, so you don't know what's going on.
As the officer on,
You wanna trying to find out what's going on. But like the other officer told you, that close, I don't know you. I don't know your intentions. I don't know what you're about. I don't know. All right, you see that your friend is going wild. I understand that you want to try to calm her down. You want to calm her down.
I'm her mother. What's going on?
Whose mother?
Whitney's
The
mother.
other person.
Oh, let me say hold on. So I understand that you want to calm her down and everything, but it's like I don't know who you are. I don't know what your intentions are.
Can y'all tell me what's going on? My child never been arrested before in her life. Can
Okay,
you just tell me what's going on? I can't breathe
I
right
got
now.
you. You need medical assistance? Okay. So I did a traffic stop on her, right? Immediately as I stopped the car, you guys take care. Immediately as I stopped the car, she jumps out the car, right? And then she's like, "Why are you behind me for?" I'm like, "My lights are on. This is a traffic stop." Okay. I asked for her information. She said, "Tell me why you stopped me." I said, "Ma'am, give me your license first. Give me your information. I don't know who you are." She's not willing to give her information. The next, this is her girlfriend or friend. Her girlfriend or friend. Well, me and her still talking and everything. And then her girlfriend or friend pulls up, got the cameras out and everything. Due to her not providing me her name, due to me not know what's going on, I go to detain her while I went to detain her. She's like pulling away, doing this and that. The next, her friend is there. Her friend gets arrested too. And then
Telling me why my babies got arrested. You're not telling me.
I just told you.
No, for what? What is her charge?
Hold on. So I gave you the whole story, but if you want to know the charge, it's resisting arrest.
Okay. What does that mean for my child?
She'll be out soon.
Is she going to gun club?
She went to gun club.
Oh my God.
Ma'am.
Why you took it that far? I know you. You're like the nicest cop I ever knew.
Well, listen, and then once you watch the body worn camera footage, ma'am, then you can see exactly why.
Oh my God, I just don't get it. That shit could have went so much better than what it was. She was already somewhere.
Well, listen, so
She was already somewhere.
No,
She
no,
was in front of her people's house.
Exactly. The car just stopped there, but I already initiated a traffic stop.
I get it, but what I'm saying, like, you could have just killed it right there.
No, but then it's how she made it. She was like,
she said she didn't have a reason to be pulled over. What was the reason?
Exactly,
what was the traffic stop?
She did not know that, and I was prepared to tell her.
What was the traffic stop?
Stop sign. That's it. Exactly.
It's just home, bro.
No, but she was driving. She was driving. It wasn't like I just randomly pulled up behind her. She was driving.
A stop sign.
The officer receives a B-. The stop and detention were legally grounded. Post-arrest de-escalation was measured and above standard. Deduction. Physical contact with the bystander occurred without a documented verbal arrest warning, a procedural gap that creates civil liability exposure. The driver receives a D+. Refusing a statutory license demand triggered every charge that followed: resisting, obstruction, and potential firearms felony. The bystander receives a C-. She had the right to record. She did not have the right to ignore a lawful perimeter order while doing so. 4 lessons. 1. Produce identification immediately. Challenge unlawful stops in court. 2. Recording rights do not override officer safety commands. 3. Miranda applies before questioning, not before handcuffing. 4. Physical resistance during lawful detention is a standalone criminal charge. Let us know if there is an interaction or legal topic you would like us to discuss in the comments below. Thank you for watching.